I should have posted this video yesterday or so, but I just couldn't bring myself to do this actual voiceover. Anyways, before I get into this, I want to say hello to you guys. How are you guys doing? And welcome to another hair tutorial featuring Diliasempire hair, which is what you're seeing right here. So this is going to be my first time trying the Diliasempire deep wave hair. Yeah, and I'm going to be using these old kinky bob hair. I've used this hair more than a couple of times, so I decided to use this as a base before I add the Diliasempire deep wave to the hair. And let's see how that is going to turn out, because I don't want to fast forward this video. Okay, so for the base, as you can tell, I'm doing the 3-strand plait, and then I added 2 strands of the Diliasempire deep wave to the hair, and yeah, that is what I did. So when I started from the back, yeah, I wanted to do the straight sectioning, and I know that thing takes time. That sectioning takes time, and I wasn't ready to give that time. I just wasn't ready. I needed to do this because I was going to resume work the next day. You get. So yeah, this is how far I have come. I told you guys when I started the back I wanted to do the straight line, but I couldn't. Then this is the pattern I did. I just did the old braid sectioning, if that makes sense. And this is what it looks like. Before I did this actual hairstyle, I was really tempted to texturize my hair because I was tired of this fussy hair. See the pain this thing is giving me, I can't complain, but I was really tempted. Just one thing didn't make me texturize it. I was like, okay, let me try another thing first. There's this, I'm not going to call it concoction, but there's this hair oil I want to try to do, like a DIY. So if I do that and it doesn't turn out the way I expected it, or let's say 50%, man, I will texturize. I will texturize this hair because this hair itself, they give me tension. But anyway, that aside, so I've gone this far with the braid. It was actually quick though, okay? And I continued with 2 strands of braid of Diliasempire deep wave. That's all. Like that's how much hair how much strands I added to each braid. But then I think I increased the size a bit when I got to the front part of it because I wanted it to be a bit voluminous. Mind you, I only used 1 pack of hair, 1 pack, which is 100 gram. Okay, so for those asking, 100 gram of hair is 60 euros, and 30 I'm confused right now. Then 50 gram of hair is 30 euros. Please always check the caption because I am tired of replying people 1,000 times, regarding the price. So yeah, at this time, rather at this point, I was done installing the hair. Oh, my initial thought was to do like a bob hairstyle, but when I was done, I was like, I don't feel like trimming this hair. I don't feel like cutting this hair. Oh, one thing I must tell you guys. So if you want to do this hairstyle, please use caniculum braiding hair. Do not use this kinky afro kinky bob hair. Please don't, because it doesn't blend with these deep wave hair. The textures are different, so of course it makes sense that they won't blend. That was one mistake I made here, and now I know better. Please, I'm reminding you guys again, rather repeating myself. If you want to do this, use caniculum hair or use only the hair. It is beautiful. 200 gram will give you a beautiful result. Okay, so this is basically it. At this point I was done. The coils were beautiful, were gorgeous. So if you're interested in this, they are still very much available. Just send me a DM or drop a comment below this video, or send me an email. Anywhere you can find me, basically, just let me know and we'll take it from there. So this is basically it, you guys. What do you think? Let me know your thought in the comment section. Look at that juicy curls. Ugh, yes. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I think I'm going to trim these ends. Yeah, I needed to, because they were yeah, you can tell already they were not looking nice. And yeah, it gave me a beautiful look. So like I said before, don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section below. This video will be everywhere. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.